أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
Assalamu alaikum, and Alim Saab, thank you very much for the dua. And I thought I was going to be given more time, and Alim Saab would take a bit more time. So, nevertheless, ladies and gentlemen, good evening, Assalamu alaikum, and Samabula Vinaka. First of all, on behalf of people see me as a sister, my friend, and of course my sister, let me welcome each and every one of you. Special welcome to the Choti Bena, who's traveled all the way from New Zealand just to be part of this family's happiness. I'd also like to acknowledge all friends and business associates of Rashida, her two sons and the daughter who is not being able to be here. But she's very well represented by Khala from abroad. Tonight, this evening is all about recognizing the success and the journey towards the success today of Rashida and her family. As I sat and listened to her story some weeks ago and even yesterday, it made me realize how hard life is and how when people hit rock bottom, you need to have that commitment and passion to rise. No matter how many times we stumble, but if we believe in something, there's no stopping to it, okay? So Rashida's journey started a long way back. Not the extravagant restaurant that you see today. She started very small, from very humble beginnings by selling cassava, chips and tea in a kiosk-like place at the Suva Flea Market. And from there, she has risen to the success that we see today. And indeed, your presence being here this evening is a sign that you have been an important part of her journey. The struggles are well recorded by her family, and I'm here on behalf of the two sons and the daughter to say how proud they are of you, Rashida, and how we all wish and pray that your success takes you further ahead. This is not a small investment, ladies and gentlemen, a very significant investment in a time when the country is still reeling from the impacts of COVID-19. But believe me, even during COVID, the restaurant followed all protocols and feathers. And I have been one of her regulars, and so have you all been. I've seen so many of you when I have visited her restaurants. And she always marvels in the way her staff serves us, the quality of the food, the taste of the food. I think she's one of the best known, she has one of the best known restaurants known for curries. And I hope now that you have expanded, you will continue to serve us with the same passion and the same taste that we are used to. It's a fact, ladies and gentlemen, that sometimes when businesses open, the standard and quality drops. But I can assure you, here at Zam Zam, I'll say we will continue to serve you with the same zeal and passion that you, and the same food and the same service that you experienced before the expansion of that. So these restaurants will now employ 20 local Fijians. And of course, investment such as this is very much appreciated by the government because this is the engine behind economic growth. It's going to support our local market, and some of the suppliers for the restaurant are here, and I'm sure now you'll make more business. And, but at the end of the day, it's the support that we provide to local businesses that is important for us. The policies that as governments we place in order to attract investments. And it takes guts. Honestly, it takes a lot of guts and courage to put your money into business, especially when the economy is not that stable. But we are on the road to recovery. We know that. We are recovering. And God willing, Fiji will once again bounce back to what it was pre-COVID times. COVID has been hard on everybody. No one has been spared, neither businesses nor individuals. All of us had some effects, whether we lost our jobs, whether there was loss of income, and whether we lost some lives during this pandemic. But we kept going. And that's what Rashida represents, a resilient Fijian who's never given up, and she will not give up now. So here we are, very proud of you, Rashida. And as your restaurant is named Zam Zam, I was hoping Alim Saab, you'd shed some light on Zam Zam, but Zam Zam means a continuity, never giving up. And this is what we wish for your restaurant. It goes on, and may you be blessed with the same energy, the same zeal to open up so many others and continue to serve us. You are a competition to some of the best restaurants in Suva, and I wish you all the very best in the coming months and coming years. To her family, to her son, Baya, you are somewhere here, he's too shy to come in front. Thank you for the support. And I've been told by your little son here to say how proud he is of your mom, and how proud he is of the family support that you have got. I'm not going to mention how much money has been invested in this venture. They're deciding to keep it secret, but a huge investment has been put. If you look around, you are sitting here in a very we all look for comfort, and especially in this hot weather, you have a fully air-conditioned restaurant to come to, and and the staff. It's very important that the staff continue to service the customers with the same passion that was there before. So on behalf of our government, I wish you all the best. And on a very personal note, I wish you every success in future. Thank you. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you.
कज़न बहन वहाँ जाकर लेकर आई थी, तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा साथ देकर
Right.